Alright, so I realize as I start this recording that this is in the wrong place on the screen for us to be able to see it. So if we have a magic ring that increases the power of healing, our healing spell, by 30%, this is right on board with like our D&D club here at Phoenix. Without the ring, our healing power normally restores H health points. So we're going to talk about which of these expressions shows an increase of 30% to our already existing H. So this, again, is one of those situations where we have to talk about what do we start with and then what do we have. So what we're starting with, and I probably got to zoom out, our original amount of healing is going to be H, right? Just to get my focus back, there's the recorder. So our original is H. And our change, our increase, is going to go up 30%. So our new amount with the magic ring will be the original healing, right? H, or we could put 1H, plus an extra 30%. Remember, we said 30%. We cannot use the percent value. We have to change it to either decimal or, remember, any percent value is that number over 100. So it's either going to be H plus 3/10 H, so remember 3/10 is 30%, or we could write it as H plus 30/100 H. Now remember, H is 1H, and if we think about 1H, we know that that would be any number over itself equals 1. So especially when we're thinking about fractions, this is like 100 over 100, H, to give us 1H, plus 30 more over 100. Well, this together would give us 130 over 100 H, which is option B there, right? So 130 over 100 is 130%, because anything over 100 is percent. So then when we look at our other options, we don't have a 1.3H, right? If we think in decimals, we'd be thinking 1.3H. So that would be an option, but if we look at our multiple choice options, we don't have that as an option.
Good afternoon, Phoenix. At this time, our
Bus riders.
Please remember to socially distance as you exit the building.
So the other option that shows 1H having 3/10 of an H added to it is C. Our other option there, 3/10 would be our 30%, added on to the 1H that we already had. When we add these numbers together, we will get 1 and 3/10 times H, which is the same as 130 over 100. So there's our help with our magic ring problem. Gotta find my pause button.